Welcome back to the channel. Today we're focusing on one of the most overlooked yet most important spaces in your home, the entryway. It's the first impression guests get when they walk in, and it sets the tone for the rest of your home. So let's explore some simple yet stylish entryway decor ideas that will instantly make your home feel warm, welcoming, and organized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more home inspiration. 1. Statement mirror. A large mirror is not just decorative, it makes your entryway look bigger and brighter. Choose a round, arched, or vintage frame to add personality while giving you a quick spot to check your look before heading out. 2. Functional console table. A slim console table is perfect for small spaces. Style it with a vase of fresh flowers, a tray for keys, and maybe a small lamp to add warmth. It's both practical and beautiful. 3. Smart storage solutions. Baskets under your table or a stylish shoe cabinet keep clutter at bay. This makes your entryway look tidy and organized without sacrificing style. 4. Wall hooks or coat rack. Add wall hooks or a minimal coat rack for jackets, hats, and bags. This adds character to the wall while keeping things functional. 5. Rugs and runners. A patterned rug or runner instantly adds coziness and defines the space. Go for a durable, washable material since this is a high-traffic area. Yum. Personal touches. Frame your favorite art, display family photos, or add greenery with a potted plant. These small touches make your entryway feel warm, personal, and inviting. Your entryway doesn't have to be plain or cluttered. It can be a stylish and functional welcome zone that reflects your personality. Try adding just 1 or 2 of these ideas, and you'll see the transformation instantly. Which entryway decor idea was your favorite? Comment below, I'd love to know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.